Everyone, today we're going to see how to optimize our windows. First of all, we're going to right click in taskbar. We are going to select task manager and we are going to show all of the details, all of the application that it's running. Here we are going to go to the startup tab, and here we are going to disable all of the ones that are not required when we log in our session. So we are going to disable all of the ones that are not from the operative system, but we are going to leave only the ones that we use for backup, or if we have any antivirus for our system. So those are the ones that we are going to leave enable. The ones that we disable, we can still use it. For example, here I disable Microsoft Edge, but I can still open it. It means that these are the applications that are not going to be loaded as soon as we start our system. So then what we are going to do is that we are going to clear all of the logs from our system. So we are going to open Event Viewer and we are going to clear all of the ones under the Windows Logs folder. Here we are going to do right click in every of these tabs and we are going to do clear log, then clear, and we are going to do the same for the others. We have to do all of this after we close all our applications. Okay, so now we are going to open our file explorer. We are going to go to our system, to this PC, right click, properties, and then we are going to go to advanced system settings. Here we are going to select in performance and we are going to uncheck the ones that we don't require. If you want to see how the system looks without them, you can click adjust for best performance and click in OK. Basically here is going to remove all of the transitions and animations, but if you like better, you can select the one that is what's best for my computer. So you click in OK and you are going to see how it's working, but that is according to your preferences. Now we are going to select the system, we are going to click in advanced and we are going to select virtual memory. Depending on the memory that you have, you can select a specific number here. So here I'm going to go still with the recommended because I just have 12 GB. So I don't think I'm going to use the virtual memory a lot. So otherwise you can uncheck this and select one. The virtual memory, what it does is like, what it's going to do is like when you run out of RAM memory, it's going to use your hard disk or your solid disk in order to do those operations. So then you click change, then you click OK and you have to restart. So then we're going to click OK, then we're going to click restart later. Remember that you have to restart in order to have these effects to have to be set it correctly. Now we are going to click in local disk C, right click in properties. We are going to click in this cleanup and we are going to select all of them. Remember that this is going to remove also your temporal files and also the file that you have in your recycle bin if you check it. You click clean up system files. Now we are going to wait. And then you are going to select all of them again and finally click in OK and delete files. If you have a hard disk, that is not a solid disk, so you can defragment the disk. To do that, we are going to click in optimize. We are going to click just in optimize, but since I have a solid state disk, that is not going to be productive. It's not necessary, so you shouldn't do it. That is only if you have a hard disk. And after that, we already have our system clear. This is the basic way to do maintenance. Thank you for watching.